We're now exploring the area of Tortuguero, situated right next to the Caribbean coastline. It is a vast network of flooded forest, with large rivers and narrow waterways that can only be explored by boat. We found and filmed many species of wildlife here, but this bird was my favourite, the beautiful and elusive Agami Heron. The Agami Heron is a resident breeding bird from Central America south to Peru and Brazil. It is shy and elusive and stalks its prey under the cover of overhanging undergrowth along the banks of the rivers. It preys on fish, frogs, small reptiles and snails caught in shallow shaded water in forested areas. It is not common and is listed as near threatened by the IUCN. And we were very lucky to see and film this beautiful bird out in the open.